Our final focus today is on technology, a key enabler of sustainability gains. Larry will be exploring how industrial Internet of Things can revolutionize sustainability projects, including energy management, and specifically how AI and machine learning can enhance predictive maintenance to reduce waste. We'll also discuss the potential of advanced materials in sustainable product design and the role of data analytics in tracking sustainability progress. So to conclude this segment, I'm excited to introduce Larry O'Brien, who'll be delving into the technological innovations that are revolutionizing industry sustainability. Larry will be highlighting these technologies and as to how they can be integrated into your operations to provide real-time monitoring and optimization of energy consumption.